Have you ever faced something like that, like compromise करना पड़ेगा?
I can't tell you when it happened, but I must have been very young, and I told myself, but मुझे इस दुनिया का हिस्सा बनना है in
Correct.
some form or way.
Correct. The most challenging role for you till date.
You mean sexually बोल? यहाँ पे आके पूरा थप्पा लगा दिया.
Attitude has been difficult.
क्योंकि आप करने वाले, कहने वाले और पावरफुल नहीं हो, क्योंकि आप नहीं कर सकते, right? किसी को आपके लिए करना पड़ेगा. That is the stuck.
Hi guys, welcome to the show. Welcome to Chai with Ilachi. This is Ilachi Nagda, and today we have with us Niharika. Niharika Raizada. She is a veteran in the industry. Also, she's from Luxembourg, a doctor, an actress. And once you see her, you will remember from Suryavanshi who exactly she is. So that's Niharika for you. Niharika, can you just tell a bit about yourself, please?
What should I tell you? Really told everything. I think there's nothing more to say. I also speak many languages. I love cinema. I love doggies. I love like what else
So
do you
you
want to
see,
know?
you speak French, English, Hindi, Spanish.
And Spanish, yeah.
Yeah.
And Luxembourgish.
Luxembourg. So there's a different language for Luxembourg?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
the
is it?
own personal language for the country.
Oh. And many more things. So I think I've already given like 10% of the introduction. So now we'll have her give the rest of it. So can you just tell something about yourself? And yeah,
I've been in the film industry for a very long time.
correct.
I used to start in production, and I used to do so many things. Like, so I know the film industry for at least a good. I don't actually want to tell you how many years. I'll give away my age, but I have been around, and I am also a very keen enthusiast for medicine, for science, and I keep doing my medical work as well. Very chupi rustum in that. I don't talk about it much.
I would love to know about it more
Uh-oh.
later, but not now. So so you are from the veterans of the industry, as we call it.
I am from the veterans. Yeah, I mean, you become a veteran over time, right? When you start working with different people, different kinds of creatives.
Correct.
And then the time that elapses as you work with all of these people, you do feel a certain sense of, हाँ मुझे समझ में आता है, I understand, you know.
I want to know, like, being the granddaughter of Sir O.P. Nair, like, how has your childhood been like? Like, did you always think of getting into the industry? How has it been? What was the struggles, and how pressurized were you from the family to prove yourself?
So pressurized from the family, not at all. In fact, the opposite.
Okay.
They pressurized never to join the film industry for whatever rhyme or reason, right?
So,
that
yeah.
was the pressure. It was the
Correct.
other way around. But I have to tell you, I have had a very musical upbringing.
Yeah.
Okay, I have had an upbringing जहाँ पे मैं black and white दूरदर्शन के पहले वाले चीजों को देख चुकी हूँ, not and that too somehow brought to Europe, like you
Yeah.
know, वो पता नहीं कहाँ से record करके कुछ भी करके मुझे दिखाते थे through VHS, actually through VHS.
VHS, correct.
And I can't tell you when it happened, but I must have been very young, and I told myself, पता नहीं, but मुझे इस दुनिया का हिस्सा बनना है in
Correct.
some form or way.
Correct. Correct.
So I knew that
Correct.
feeling came very early on.
So, when did you get obsessed with the industry? Like, I would say that you are obsessed because
I am.
knowing
I'm
you
obsessed.
since a while. Yeah.
I am very passionate about the film industry. I think the first time that I really got obsessed about it is when in 1990, Phool Ho Kaante must have come out. And I was very young at that time, okay? But when I saw it, I said I want to be like Ajay Devgan. Like girls aspire to be
Yes.
like Madhuri Dixit or
Yes.
Shri Devi or, you know, people like that. But I told my whole family, I'm going to be
Ajay Devgan. So did you love him as an actor, or do you love him now as a businessman? What do you think?
Now I know the fact that he's into so many businesses,
Yes.
right? So it just sort of reaffirms my belief that I like certain people for certain reasons. So he's also born on the 2nd of April, which is also the birth date of one of my favorite Masis.
No.
And they're very powerful. I believe in numbers and numerology. Plus he's an Aries, like I'm also an Aries. There are many reasons also, but वो सब बाद में. पहले तो you just like what they do and who they are because you see the persona on screen, right?
Correct.
And it inspires you. तो पहले तो you look at them and you're like, हाँ यार, जो भी है मस्त है, दबंग है, अपने टाइप का है. You know, like you can see कि देखो ऐसी शक्ल लेके, इस तरह से flexibility लेके, इस तरह से fight करने का, और जो popularity उनको मिली, it was just amazing. तो मुझे वो सब अच्छा लगा.
This was back in childhood, basically.
That was when I first realized, maybe when I was 10, 12 years old, when I first saw Phool Ho Kaante, I said, yeah, you know, just like how we girls also looked at Madhuri Dixit and all wanted to dance like her, be like her, you know, feel like her, exude like her.
Correct.
तो as kids हम लोग करते हैं ना बचपन में,
Obviously,
we
yes.
dance a lot and we sing a lot. और मैंने तो बहुत ज्यादा, मैं खुद टेप रिकॉर्डर लेके खूब गाने गाए हैं, वो भी पुराने आशा भोसले वाले गाने गाए हैं मैंने, गीता दत्त वाले गाने
Correct.
गाए हैं, सब
Correct.
ऐसे गाने
Correct.
गाए हैं
Correct.
पुराने पुराने. मेरे पापा कहते थे कि तू नाक से गाती है इन दैट सेंस, बट देन
हाँ.
धीरे 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 मैंने पेट से गाना शुरू किया, आई लर्न. तो मैं करती थी, बहुत
So
नौटंकी
you
करती
sing
थी.
as well.
मुझे पसंद है, but you know it requires a lot of riyaz.
Correct.
I don't think you can call yourself a singer until you really do that kind
Correct.
of riyaz.
Correct.
I think it's wrong of anybody to say that, but मैं शौकियाना, I like music.
Understood. So you were born in Luxembourg.
Yeah, born and raised.
Born and raised in Luxembourg.
Yeah.
What brought you from such a beautiful city? I love Luxembourg.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Yeah. So what brought you out from Luxembourg to India, and what was that journey like?
So that is not the film industry, but it's India as a whole.
India as a whole, yeah.
मुझे India
Like
बहुत
just your
पसंद है.
journey in particular, like what made you leave Luxembourg and come across in India?
I would like to say that I'm a little bit of a Nostradamus that way. I feel that I can see what's going to happen, you know. So when I saw how China and India were emerging as markets and the development that was happening, people like us who come from very, very developed places,
Correct.
right? They feel कि हम यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ contribute कर सकते हैं. जो हमारे देश में ऑलरेडी अचीव हो चुका है, वी कैन कम एंड लर्न फ्रॉम देयर एंड कम एंड इम्पार्ट हियर. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. तो इट्स लाइक दैट, इट्स अ वे ऑफ सेइंग कि आप भी अपना यू नो दो कौड़ी का नॉलेज आके डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लो. एंड आई डिड दैट. लाइक मुझे इंडिया उस हिसाब से लगा कि यू कैनॉट, दूर से आप नहीं कह सकते कि अरे इंडिया में हमारा ऐसा हो रहा है वैसा हो रहा है. आपको ग्राउंड लेवल पे आके ही वो सीखना चाहिए, देखना चाहिए, फील करना चाहिए, तभी आप कुछ कह सकते हो, तभी आप कुछ कर सकते हो. इट्स लाइक दैट.
But in that West influence that is there, do you think that West influence impacted on your decisions? Somewhere there was a hesitation of you coming here or anything on those lines?
वो हेजिटेशन बाद में जाके मुझे रुलवाता था. मतलब हिंदुस्तान में आके मैं सबको कहती हूँ हिंदुस्तान इज डायनामाइट. ठीक है, इट्स केओटिक, इट्स मैड. हमारी इंडस्ट्री तो इट्स लाइक क्रेजी. तो आप जब हिंदुस्तान में रहते हो और आप जब एक्चुअली में आपका दिनचर्या उठते हो गुजरता है, तो यू फील ओ माय गॉड मैं कहाँ आ गई.
Correct.
यू डू फील लाइक दैट.
Correct.
क्योंकि आपको या तो बेड ऑफ रोजेस मिलेगा या फिर यू विल गेट कांटों का हार. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. बट मुझे वो बाद में जाके पता चला. तो वो वेस्टर्न इन्फ्लुएंस जो आप कह रहे हो है मेरे अंदर वेस्टर्न इन्फ्लुएंस, लेकिन इंडिया में वो क्या लागू हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता, यू कांट यूज योर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट हियर, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई उस नियम से कुछ चलता ही नहीं है. इट्स वेरी haphazard.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
So
it's like
Fool or
that.
Kaante was your breaking point in terms of that you wanted to become an actor.
Yeah.
And then Miss India UK happened.
Yeah, I became popular.
Yeah. So
because I
what
won
was,
that.
how was that? How did that come into play? Like what made you get into that modeling, and I think it's ramp walks and modelings and stuff like that. So
Absolutely.
what made you get into that?
So I really do like fashion, no doubt about it. I used to really follow Kate Moss as a young girl.
Yeah.
I used to love her body type. She was also a much shorter model than the rest, and I
Correct.
wasn't that tall. Like I'm not
Correct.
5'8" or 5'9". I'm also shorter. But I love the way she posed. I love the way she was. She was so sexual.
So
and sensual.
was this before you became a doctor, or was this like this was during?
Was during. I think in
Okay.
process. I think as a 15-year-old girl, I always wanted to have like a nice slim fashion sense and body and stuff. And I would follow Kate Moss. And when I got to London and there was a chance to exhibit some fashion there, I did it, you know, and then I joined this sort of beauty pageant, and I must have looked nice that day and I won. I spoke well and I won. It was
Nice.
not planned, I think, for me to win, but
So then you
miraculously I
completed
won.
your doctorate, and your
Yeah.
doctorate is in?
in translational medicine and cardiology.
Okay.
I specialized in cardiology.
Oh, lovely. So how then? Why did you continue that? Like, why the kida of becoming that actor, as we call it?
Because I had to do it. I don't know, कुछ ना कुछ मेरे अंदर वो हमेशा मुझे कहता था कि यार अब तो पढ़ाई आपने कर ली और
Correct.
वो भी आपका अच्छा ठीक है. अब now it's time to really get into the film
So
industry.
that was your turning point. Was
Yeah.
there a kind of a, what do you call it as, a motivation, some kind of a motivation, or just के calling आया and?
मुझे कॉलिंग तो पहले से ही है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, तो वो क्या है ना कि आपको अपना टास्क कंप्लीट करना है ना.
Correct.
मुझे पता था कि
Yeah.
मुझे मेरी पढ़ाई तो खत्म ही करनी है, तो आई फिनिश दैट.
Hmm.
एंड देन आई एम लाइक, अभी एक्चुअली मुझे स्कॉलरशिप मिला था एक चीज के लिए, तो मेरे पास पैसे बचे हुए थे, तो मैंने वो पैसे से मैं इंडिया आ गई.
Oh.
जितना पैसा बचा हुआ था ना, आई केम एंड आई डिड माय यहाँ पे रहना, it was a good amount of money.
So was it difficult for you to transition from the doctorate to acting, and how difficult was it for you to get stuff over here? Like, considering you coming from such a, I would say, a heavy background, like
Not
you-
really, because वो कहते हैं ना, I might seem that oh she's done that studies and all that, but internally I have that all those qualities that actors have. I have that vanity.
correct,
I
correct.
have that crazy, like वो कहते हैं ना,
Yeah,
they're a little frivolous, the
yeah,
women. I have that.
yes.
So I think actually in my personality I'm two different people.
You would say
know.
you have bipolar disorder.
I don't have a bipolar disorder. I haven't diagnosed myself yet, but I definitely have these two mixes.
Multiple personalities.
Yeah, I do. So I do have those aspects to me ingrained since I've been a child, like on a stage performance,
Correct.
getting ready,
Correct.
having the makeup and hair done, like all of that is in
Is
me.
there.
So I don't think that.
So you're the kind of a person that would take like an hour to get ready.
Not shower, but
Hour,
yes, not shower wise, I would be very fast. But
Yeah.
for getting ready, also, I don't put that much makeup on. So I'm
yes,
not a
yes,
makeup
yes.
girl. But like actually, I'm the fastest one out of my girls to get
Is
ready.
it?
Yeah, because I
Oh.
just literally have a shower, put a little blush, and
Blush, yeah.
clothes and out.
Yeah, but that comes with the skin itself, like, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But my skin was not like this. It's
Oh,
become better.
become
over time.
better.
Yeah.
Any tips for that?
Yeah, like I used to have haldi pani a lot.
Ah,
And I think having some nice vitamin C tablets and glutathione is very good also.
okay.
Supplements are great.
Supplements
for,
are great.
for making your
Because
skin
many
glow
people
and
say
shine.
that you should not have the supplements, and then you just like there are always a contradicting situation. So coming from a doctor, I would love to know what should we do exactly.
No, I genuinely feel, and I don't want to like endorse it or something, but yes, I do feel that the glutathione is a good thing for
Correct.
anti-aging. I think it's so far shown some really good results, and this I'm
Mhm.
saying based on statistics. I think it's definitely beneficial.
Understood.
And all people who want to keep their skin young and and glowing, I think it's a good idea. And
Understood. So when you told me that you were a doctor, I was shocked.
oh right, yeah, people get that. People
Yeah.
don't believe me.
So from Bollywood, like when you tell people that, okay, yeah, you are an actor, definitely for sure, but you are also a doctor. What are the reactions like? Like, what is the worst reaction? What is the best reaction you got till date?
The worst reaction is that people would stop talking to you because they might get intimidated by
Correct.
the intelligence, or so-called perceived intelligence. The best reaction is those who like challenges in the film industry and like to meet interesting people from various backgrounds. And there are a couple of us, huh?
Yeah.
There's like Sai Pallavi, she's also from that. Manushi Chiller, she's also like that. So there's not like ऐसे नहीं है medical background से जो
Correct.
आते हैं. So, and they're talented girls. They're
Super
beautiful
talented.
girls, and they won Miss Worlds, and and she's doing some phenomenal work. So I think that the person who has that curiosity to meet someone a little bit more cerebral will have a great time chatting with us.
So have you ever felt being stuck like in that so बहुत times ऐसे जीवन में हमारे बहुत ये आता है कि we are feeling stuck, we are not able to get there, get out there. So when you are in the industry, have you ever felt stuck to a singular kind of a role, or somewhere behind the cameras you've not been able to crack something that you really wanted? Do you have any such stories with you?
मुझे याद है मैं यशराज में गई थी सबसे पहली बार when I came for my auditions, and होता है ना एक लिस्ट होती है, ठीक है, tertiary, quaternary,
correct,
secondary, ठीक है,
yes.
और मुझे शायद सबसे पीछे वाले ग्रुप में डाला गया, मतलब कि जूनियर के बस थोड़ा ऊपर, ओके. वो मुझे बहुत चोट पहुंचाता है. लाइक एज अ पर्सन आई टेल यू कि मैं तो ऐसी नहीं थी इन दैट सेंस. आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन समबडी हु हैड क्वाइट अ पर्सनालिटी और क्वाइट वाइवेशियस. तो आई वाज शॉक्ड जब मुझे पता चला, कास्टिंग एजेंट्स ने बोला कि यार ये तो मतलब सेकेंडरी ही है ये लड़की. आई वाज लाइक दैट्स अ स्टक मोमेंट मैन. वो तो दैट हर्ट्स यू बिकॉज़ यू आर लाइक मैं तो कभी सेकेंडरी लाइफ में थी नहीं. मुझसे जब पूछा भी जाता है ना कि आर यू अ फॉलोअर और लीडर, आई एम अ लीडर ऑल द वे. मतलब आई एम अ स्पॉटलाइट होल्डर. आई एम अ पीपल रियली सिंस बचपन से मुझे बहुत लोग बोलते थे कि आपकी तो बहुत ही ज्यादा फायरी पर्सनैलिटी है. तो मुझे यहाँ पे आके पूरा थब्बा लगा दिया सेकेंडरी टर्शरी. आई वाज लाइक ओके. तो यानी कि क्या, यानी कि आपको सिर्फ छोटा रोल ही दिया जाएगा और बड़ा रोल के लिए आप कभी कंसिडर नहीं किए जा सकते.
You will never get the break that you deserve.
हाँ, मतलब आप कंसिडर, क्योंकि आपको लोग जबरदस्ती बोलेंगे कि ये ना ये तो सेकेंडरी लड़की है. कैसे आ सकते हैं यार लीड में आप? So that is,
So breaking that stereotypical attitude has been difficult.
yeah, man. You know, Rekha did it. Can I
Yeah,
tell you?
yeah,
I think of
please.
her all the time. एक लेडी जो उस समय शायद रंग में ही गोरा अलग से दिखने वाली,
Correct.
तो उन्होंने जो फिर पलटा ना, तो फिर
Hmm.
वो तो लोग ऐसे हो गए, ये क्या हो गया? तो या मुझे आई वुड लाइक टू, क्योंकि मैं लीड बनना चाहती हूँ, लेट्स पुट इट लाइक
Obviously,
दैट।
yeah, yeah.
मैं लीड करना चाहती हूँ, मैं पूरी की पूरी फिल्म अपने शोल्डर पे माउंट करना चाहती हूँ,
Correct.
और फिर मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरा बॉक्स ऑफिस, यू नो, वो
Correct.
एक मेरा सपना है।
Correct.
तो आप एज अ सेकेंडरी टर्शरी अगर आपको यहाँ पे टैग किया जाए तो कैसे होगा वो? हाउ विल यू डू इट?
Obviously, yeah.
तो दिस इज अ बिट ऑफ अ कनंड्रम, एंड क्योंकि आप करने वाले, कहने वाले और पावरफुल नहीं हो, क्योंकि आप नहीं कर सकते, राइट?
Correct.
किसी को आपके लिए करना पड़ेगा, दैट इज द स्टक।
But sometimes when it is such kind of situations, usually action speaks louder than words. Do you believe in that? Like,
Yeah, I mean, I'm
you,
doing it, I'm a living
yeah,
proof of it.
exactly. So you keep on trying till a point of time that somewhere down the line, if it is written, and it's going to happen.
हाँ, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, इट्स अ
Correct.
फैक्ट। और
Correct.
अगर कोशिश करने वाला मेरे जैसा हो तो बिल्कुल नहीं हारेगी। मैं आपको गारंटी से लिख रही हूँ।
Definitely, for sure. So, what was the most boldest role that you've done till date? Like, not in terms of like, not the ugly cinema kind of thing, but the boldest thing, which was the most challenging role for you till date.
You mean sexually bold?
No, no, no. That's what I meant. Like, not sexually bold, but like in general bold.
बट आई मस्ट से कि एक फिल्म आई थी वॉरियर सावित्री, जो
Hmm.
एज अ फिल्म मुझे ज्यादा पसंद नहीं आई, बट दैट कैरेक्टर वाज क्वाइट बोल्ड, यू नो,
Correct.
and it required a lot of body transformation. I learnt a lot of fighting. There was an extreme sensual scene between me and Rajat Burmecha in a bedroom, you know, which people might be quite hesitant to do, you know, because it was shot in a certain way, and maybe people might not be comfortable actually, but I let myself go and I did my acting the way I'm supposed to. If it's supposed to be a honeymoon night, it's supposed to be a honeymoon night, you know.
Correct.
For example, you have to show it off like that. So that was maybe one of the most bold things that I've done, because I transformed my body. I did this sensual sexual role, and then I was sort of typecasted again as sort of this like sexual person, you know, like, so that was also
So I've always noticed this one thing:
problem.
whenever the actors are getting onto that front,
Hmm.
getting into the bold and sexual front across,
Yeah.
then it is difficult for them to get out of it.
Very difficult.
So, what would you like? What is your thought process onto that?
So you have to do roles which then kind of break that mold. Basically, if you want to be portrayed as, and I did. So I
Correct.
did a role in IB-71 in which I'm very conservatively dressed. You know, I'm dressed like an air
Correct.
hostess. I'm
Correct.
a raw agent. You know,
Correct.
so I broke that mold. And even in Suryavanshi, I was in a t-shirt and jeans, for example. I was a cop, an ATS,
I love that role. I
anti-terrorist.
love that role for Suryavanshi, specifically when Akshay Kumar is doing that hitting wala scene.
But सोचो उसमें भी sexuality घुसा दिया रोहित शेट्टी ने, तो I guess कहीं ना कहीं आपकी personality निकाली जाती है still for that matter. तो वो sexual tag तब भी है, for example.
Okay,
you know?
is it?
Yeah, वो तब भी रहता है, देखो. I mean, because that's a Kama Sutra sound,
Yeah,
right? So
yeah.
it still has that connotation के that's like sexy, so to
Correct,
speak.
correct.
Body से नहीं तो आवाज से ही सही.
आवाज से, correct,
तो it's
correct.
like that.
So, any industry red flags that you faced, or would you consider them as red flags? Like, when you date a guy, you see for the green flags and the red flags.
Wow, I don't know. That's a really good question. Industry red flags. I think that if you see, okay, don't go and meet certain people at certain times. मतलब कि आपको अगर कोई डायरेक्टर या प्रोड्यूसर केवल ही 10 बजे रात की बात बुला रहा है, that's a red flag. Let's put it like that. या फिर अगर डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर और जो भी है, जो फाइनेंसर्स हैं, आपसे फिल्म के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे, बाकी दुनिया भर की बातें कर रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दैट्स ऑल्सो अ रेड फ्लैग. बाकी आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनी रेड फ्लैग पर से, यू नो, इन द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. यू शुड जस्ट बी अवेयर कि आप यहाँ काम करने आए हो.
Correct.
आप यहाँ पे एक्टर बनने आए हैं.
Correct.
आपको अपना काम दिखाना है. तो यहाँ पे यू शुड नॉट लेट योर सेल्फ बी यूज्ड. बस इतना, मैं, यही रेड फ्लैग है आपका. क्योंकि आप खर्च हो जाओगे, और खर्च होने के बाद यू माइट नॉट फाइंड कि वो एक्टर कहाँ चला गया वो एक्टर. और इसीलिए लोग कभी कभार, जिसको कहते हैं ना, आपको काम नहीं मिलता ज्यादा, तो डिप्रेशन में चल जाते हैं, फिर उनका कोई मेंटालिटी स्टेटस बदल जाता है. So don't allow yourself to get wasted with the wrong people. Don't waste your energy with the wrong people who you know will never give you work.
But
That
you
is
know,
a red flag.
I've also noticed and heard of situations where, suppose, for example, there are certain kind of people, I wouldn't want to name them, but there are certain kind of people that वो पहले आपको 1 महीना, 2 महीना, 3 महीना आपको घिसते जाएँगे, घिसते जाएँगे, घिसते जाएँगे एंड देन आपको एंड में आके बोलेंगे कि अभी आपको ये रोल के लिए आपको थोड़ा-सा
क्या बात।
कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करना पड़ेगा, आपको ये करना पड़ेगा, आपको वो करना पड़ेगा. सो हैव यू एवर फेस्ड समथिंग लाइक दैट? लाइक व्हाट इज़
मैं कभी भी लोगों के साथ ना उठक बैठक नहीं करूंगी जिनको मेरे साथ काम नहीं करना हो।
करेक्ट.
मुझे ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है उन लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि मैं अगर आपको रिस्पेक्टफुली देख रही हूँ कि आप एक निर्देशक हैं या फिर एक फिल्म मेकर हैं या फिर प्रोड्यूसर हैं, मैं आपको बहुत सम्मान दे रही हूँ, तो
करेक्ट.
आपको भी मुझे एज एन आर्टिस्ट उतना ही लेवल पे एटलीस्ट सम्मानित तो करना ही पड़ेगा। देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट
You
इट।
wouldn't want anybody to waste your time basically.
नो आई एंड तो मैं कभी उस रास्ते नहीं रही,
Hmm.
राइट? क्योंकि मैं मुझे पता चल जाता है या फिर जो भी आपको एक जैसे सिक्स सेंस होती है लड़कियों
Correct,
की
correct,
कि
obviously.
आपने बोला ना ये लड़का सही नहीं है मेरे लिए, तो यार इस गली मत जाओ
Correct.
फॉर एग्जांपल। लेकिन आई थिंक दैट लाइक यस, इजंट इट अमेजिंग कि लोग आपको डेफिनेटली खींचते हैं, बट आपको पता होता है कि हाँ ये मेरे लिए, ये मुझे रोल मिलेगा एंड
Correct.
में, क्योंकि वो आपको पता होता है। आई थिंक
Just a calling.
वो पता होता है, और कहीं ना कहीं स्पेशली जो फिल्म फैमिलीज में या फिल्म फैमिलीज के जो लोग होते हैं ना, वो आपको कहीं ना कहीं दिलासा देते हैं कि यार सपोर्ट सिस्टम है, अगर नहीं दिया तो हम बैंड बजा देंगे उन लोगों
Hmm.
की, एटलीस्ट वो भी होगा शायद, कि आपको तो देंगे ही देंगे रोल, राइट?
So coming from that point, what you said about film families, nepotism.
हम्म।
ये बहुत पुराना वर्ड है जो किसी ने बहुत ट्रेंड किया है ट्विटर पे.
हम
So
नाम नहीं बोलेंगे।
yeah. So now I want to get into that front, is that you have a very amazing background of people that have been a part of the industry.
Yeah.
Like, so would you say that nepotism is there or is it not there? Or have you not got a chance to utilize it? Like, what is it?
No, nepotism is 100% there. I have not been able to capitalize on it, but it is definitely there. And why not? Like I say, जिनके पास पैसे हो, जिनके पास हुनर हो, जिनके पास औकात हो बनाने की, they make it.
Hmm.
और जिनको वो सब नहीं मिलता, वो अपने बलबूते पे जितना कर सकते हैं कर ही रहे हैं. You know, these
Right.
people who have come from outside the industry, so to speak, and don't have any experience at all, I'm more in awe of them, because I feel that they've come with a lot more challenges than the people
Correct.
from a nepotistic sort of background.
Correct.
You know, एक डॉक्टर का बेटा जब डॉक्टर बनता है ना, सॉरी हाँ, डॉक्टर का बेटा जब डॉक्टर बनता है तो उसको बहुत इजीली समझ में आता है, क्योंकि रोज रात को शाम को बातें होती है मेडिसिन के बारे में टेबल
Hmm.
पे, ठीक है? तो वैसे ही आप क्यों एक फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड वाले बच्चे को एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते फिल्म ही ज्वाइन करने के लिए, वो भी एक ऐसी सुनहरी दुनिया में जहाँ पे एवरीथिंग इज सो चमचमाता हुआ एंड ब्रिलियंट, व्हाई नॉट? तो एक्सपेक्टेड है। लेकिन हाँ, मैं एज अ इंडस्ट्री एक फिल्म फैमिली बच्चे को 15 मौका नहीं दूंगी टू प्रूव देमसेल्व्स।
Understood.
मैं, अगर आप 1 2 3 बार पैसा लगा के उनको बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं क्योंकि आपके पास है रिसोर्सेज, लेकिन तीसरे चौथे के बाद मैं बोलूंगी
नहीं होगा.
बात नहीं है,
Correct.
तो अभी किसी और को चांस देंगे। लेकिन यहाँ पे ना वो लोग 20वीं बार पे उस पे पैसा लगाएंगे और गवाएंगे, एंड
गवाएंगे.
आई थिंक दैट इज फूलिश।
Understood.
रियली, आई थिंक दैट्स
So what do you
एब्सोल्युटली
think? Is it a blessing or a curse?
फॉर व्हाट?
Nepotism in general.
It's not so black and white. I mean, sometimes you get great talents as well. You know, I
Yeah,
mean,
fair.
I like Alia Bhatt, I like Akshay Khanna, I like Sunny Deol.
Shraddha Kapoor.
Yeah,
Lot of names.
there are people who you're like, wow.
Correct.
I mean, you know.
So your movies were Damadol, IB71, Masan, Suryavanshi, a lot of that. So
Yeah.
the first movie was Damadol, if I'm
Yeah,
not wrong.
Bengali film.
Bengali film, yes. So like basically, I wanted to ask you is like, what was the most challenging part of that role? Basically, Luxembourg, India, Mumbai, Bengali film. You don't even. I don't think so. You speak Bengali.
No.
Yeah.
Not at all.
So how was that?
So I'm a linguist, right?
Yeah.
So learning languages is something which excites me, like how people like to go for holidays or see the world. So learning languages and being with people who speak a different language excites me more than anything in the world. And so when I would go to Bengal, or when I go to Kerala, or when I go to Chennai, or when I go to Hyderabad, it excites me to just sit and keep listening to that language. So that after, if I stay there for 3 months, I can bet you I will be able to understand at least a certain level.
Tad bit of it.
Because that's how my brain is wired
Oh.
linguistically. But it takes 3 months for me to actually get into a
Understood.
language. If I'm just there for a week or 2 weeks or whatever, then it's a very short period for me to really, get into it.
So coming to Masan.
Hmm.
Masan is a very intense movie.
Yeah,
for a
Neeraj
matter of
Khan,
fact.
beautiful director.
Beautiful movie. So how difficult was it for you to adapt, and what were the challenges for your role back then?
But Elijah, you know what the sad part about my career is that I have never had the chance to adapt
Why
in the
so?
film,
Why do you say so?
or never had the chance, because you need screen time, you need time to develop and process, and I've never been given that chance enough. मुझे मिलती भी है ना चीज, वहां पे भी कट हो जाता है, तो वो आप कभी उसमें, इट्स लाइक शुरू होने से पहले ही खत्म हो जाता है मेरा एक्टिंग का प्रोसेस. आपको मुझे मिला ही नहीं है वो कि मैं उसके अंदर जाऊं, करूं. मेरे कहाँ एक एक 2-2 सेकंड के रोल्स हुए हैं, तो इट्स टू स्मॉल.
So any upcoming projects that you have?
हाँ, अब मैंने जितने भी फिल्में किए, आई हैव डन ऑल एज अ प्रोटैगनिस्ट. ठीक है, तो अभी आ रही हैं चीजें, लाइक
Can you name a few if you want to?
Adrika is coming in the Malayalam film industry.
Okay.
That's a psychological thriller. Mercy is coming in the Hindi film industry. That's a film that talks about a very sensitive issue called euthanasia. One more film is coming called Sapna. In that I play a corporate girl called Naina.
Okay.
So very corporate sort of look.
Understood.
So, but I'm playing the lead in all of them.
In all of them?
Yeah.
Oh, that's lovely. So you're finally getting your...
Yeah, slowly I'm getting those roles, maybe not the banners, but and the production houses and the producers and the directors that I wish to work with, but I'm definitely getting the roles now.
Understood. So there's something in acting called as method acting.
Yeah.
So have you ever got into method acting as such?
So I did some courses at the New York Film Academy for improvisation.
I love that.
And I love improvisation, right? And they do it incredibly in that place, in that school. But yeah, Stanislavski method is there, and there are certain people who have said that you have to do something to yourself to feel that, or shut yourself off and then
so has
express.
it ever impacted your personal life onto that front? Like, has method acting ever caused you any kind of trouble in your personal life? So there is a real life and there is a real life, as like the Gen Z quotes as they say it. So has it ever affected in your real life?
God, I really want it affects my life, because that means I'll be getting into a role which might be life changing for me. I want a role like that. Jahan pe maybe everything gets like shut off. It's just me and my role and my director and the film. Oh, can you imagine that blackout? Like, because I have a very colorful carnival life. Okay. Can you imagine if I block everything off and it's just that? For me, I think from just that moment is serene. It's magical to me, and I want it more than anything in this world, where it's me, the director, the film, and my role, and that's it. And I get into it in a way which is like, ऐसा role भी मिलना चाहिए, ऐसा writer भी मिलना चाहिए, ऐसा film भी मिलना चाहिए, ऐसा director भी मिलना चाहिए.
What has been the biggest struggle and controversy at the same time that has ever happened with you? Like a controversy which has come to highlight and you feel that कि भाई ये गलत है, कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है, or something that you have experienced in terms of, like, I wouldn't say casting or anything as such, but yeah, in general.
Experience wise तो I feel कि मुझे टोटल धमाल और IB71 जैसी फिल्मों में और रोल मिल सकता था, 100%
more screen time
रोल में जाने का मौका मिल सकता था. That is as a political side from the film point of view. नहीं तो I am not a controversy girl.
Yeah, I know
मैं
that.
बहुत ही साधारण टाइप ऑफ गर्ल हूँ. ना ही, जैसे मैंने कहा, मैं जब उस गली जाती ही नहीं जहाँ पे आपको वो सब
बट
मिलता
वो तो
है.
होता ही है बाय डिफॉल्ट, इवन आप जितना भी ट्राई कर लो.
मैं किसी ने मुझसे पूछा था ये चीज.
ओके.
मैंने कहा मैं अभी तक उस मुकाम पे नहीं हूँ कि मैं कुछ क्रिएट करूं या मेरा पीआर मशीनरी कुछ बनाए या किसी को मैं गिराऊं या कुछ ऐसा हो, अभी नहीं हुआ है.
So what's this one biggest or like a normal misconception about you that people feel is a misconception that you would like to clear up? Like you would like to get it out there in the open that ke bhai ye ek misconception hai. Is there something like that?
I don't know if people might think that I'm not an actor enough to spearhead a film. I'd like to get that notion
Out of people's
completely.
heads.
Yeah, like I am that actor who
Correct.
can be the film's
Yeah,
Rue. I can. That's all. I would like that myth to be broken.
understood.
You know, that's all. Because now it's been some time, right? So they also say that time has elapsed. इतने समय के बाद अब तो कोई नहीं देख. It's like
Hmm.
the time has gone, you know,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
you're like, नहीं यार, no.
So you've done movies like IV-71, the Total Dhamal, Suryavanshi, और छोटी indie producers के साथ भी किए, for a
Yeah,
matter of fact.
yeah.
On-set dramas, anything that you did not like personally or you saw it and not many people know about it. Like हमारा एक जो industry है, it's a very small circle of people. It's a very small circle of people. Everybody knows everybody who is what, who is not. So what was that on-set drama? If you would like to light something up, like very like a humorous thing or something controversial, which
So drama happens if you are kind of yourself egoistic, tantrumy, and bitchy.
not with you. I mean,
But
in
I'm
general,
saying
yeah,
you do kind of reflect the universe you surround yourself. Like if you're a kind of person, then that thing happens with you also a lot
correct,
more.
correct.
Because मैं प्यार देने वाली लड़की हूँ ना, तो मेरे साथ बहुत लोग प्यार से ही पेश आते हैं.
Hmm.
That's the kind of vibe that I have. But हाँ, on set लोगों के बीच मैंने बहुत मतलब वेटरन्स पहले तो मैं आपको बताऊं जो ये सब जो बहुत कमाल के एक्टर्स अब जिन्होंने 20 साल इंडस्ट्री में बिता लिया 20-35 years उनमें है वो कि यू नो आई एम हियर एंड आई एम दिस एंड आई एम दैट सो देयर इज अ सर्टेन ईगो देयर यू नो एंड आई फील दैट maybe it shouldn't be there that's my personal thing because it affects a lot of people like they
Correct,
should be more grounded and more down to earth especially with people who are trying to break through in the film
correct,
industry
correct.
तो वो तो ड्रामा रहता है आई थिंक पीपल हु हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस दे कम विद सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ यू नो egocentricities apart from that girls can have a little bit of you know like कि अच्छा तो शी इज कम इन प्लेस ऑफ मी काइंड ऑफ थिंग मेरे साथ एक बार हुआ है ऐसा तो हाँ वो द डेथ स्टेयर
I know those death
और
stares.
दे
I know those death stares.
ओ देते हैं हम के यार काश मैं आज इसका बिल्कुल यू नो भरता बना सकूं but you can't
Obviously you can't. Obviously you can't. So I also know that you are a little bit into spirituality.
I mean, people say I'm very spiritual, but I myself am an explorer. So I would, you know, go to Guruji also in Falmalia. I would also go to Shani Mandir. I would also go to ISKCON. I would explore. I didn't get to go to Mahakumbh this time because I would have liked to, but
I
people
think we
who
were
went,
discussing the other day.
yeah, that
Yeah.
maybe we should, you
Yeah.
know, attempt and stuff. But I like the idea in India about spirituality and religion and this connect with this energy.
That is what I love about the country is it's a secular country.
Yeah.
In fact, it's a very
हाँ दरगाह
secular.
भी अजमेर मुझे
So
सब
कुछ
जगह जाना
so
है
हाँ
तो
correct.
मैं आई एम ओपन मुझे एनर्जीज बहुत अफेक्ट करती है
How do you say that?
जैसे अभी मैंने एक अपना प्रोडक्शन हाउस खोला है उसमें एक गाना किया है
Raizada Entertainment.
रायजादा
Yes.
एंटरटेनमेंट तो वहाँ वहाँ पे कम से कम 100 लोग होंगे ठीक है मेरे सेट पे तो एनर्जीज के मुझे मेरे सेट पे एक वाइब क्रिएट करना है जिसमें से जब लोग निकले ना तो बोले वाओ कितना अच्छा लगा हमें इस प्रोडक्शन हाउस के साथ काम करने में उसके लिए आप सबके माइंड्स में तो नहीं घुस सकते ना कि आप सबको संभाल लो
Correct.
तो एनर्जीज मैटर तो आई जस्ट वांट टू मेक श्योर कि people's energies are positive and adjusting and flexible देखो अगर मान लो आप प्रोड्यूसर हैं या कोई डायरेक्टर है या कोई स्पॉट बॉय भी है लेकिन आपको दिख रहा है कि उस समय सेट पे आपको वो चीज डिस्टर्ब कर रही है या वो चीज हटा दो ताकि हम आराम से सीन ले सके तो यार कोई भी जाके कर दे
Correct.
आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि वो कभी कभार मैं चाहती हूँ ऐसा ठीक है स्पॉट का काम है डायरेक्टर का काम है प्रोड्यूसर लेकिन एक भावना होती है कि यार हमें तो फिल्म कैन करनी है ना हमें तो ये प्रॉपर करना है
Correct.
तो कोई भी आके उस समय उस टाइम पे जो भी अवेलेबल हो वो जाके उसको कर देना वैसा मुझे माहौल क्रिएट करना होता है ऑन सेट
Correct.
एंड दैट इज एनर्जी ड्रिवन वो नहीं नहीं मैं तो डायरेक्टर हूँ मैं तो ऐसा नहीं कर सकता नहीं तो मैं तो प्रोड्यूसर हूँ मैं तो ऐसा नहीं कर सकता नहीं तो मैं सब एज अ प्रोड्यूसर मैं सबकी दास हूँ ठीक है लाइक आई विल डू एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग कि मेरा शॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं
Correct.
दैट्स ऑल वो वाइब जो है ना क्रिएट करना है वो एनर्जी
Energy
बेस्ड
based है.
टोटल
So, like, basically, the reason of me doing this podcast in general with people like all of us, basically, is that I want to give a reasoning to people on whether you want to get into the industry or you don't want to get into the industry. like just giving them the front side, the glamorous side, as well as the back end side of it, like just giving them insights. So is there anything that you would like to tell these kind of kids, people, or anybody who's trying to get into the industry, ke bhai, whatever, like you are struggling, but along with that you still have a lot of good projects with you.
Yeah, it keeps
Yeah,
coming.
it keeps on coming. Yeah.
Something comes, something or the other. Okay, so first warning or red flag in the film industry that I would say is that people here are relatively polyamorous. So you have to be open here and flexible because you will succeed. You know, I've
Hmm.
seen that, and that's the truth. If you don't have that kind of mindset or a vibe or a basic persona, and you're rigid and stuff, you will definitely be on the sidelines, but that doesn't mean you can't be the best and you can't work your way up. But yes, there is a certain way of the world here, and it's not for everybody. Okay, that's what I will say. So if you have a certain personality type which is like a little rigid, then you might not be able to prosper to the level that you wish to.
Correct.
But if you're flexible as a person, mindfully also, if you're, spontaneous and enthusiastic about everything, you'll adjust. The other thing I would say, it's not just about the good side, right? You have to also want it badly, and those who want it badly never give up.
Correct.
Don't give up. If you like being a director or a producer or an actor or anything in the film industry, make sure you know that you're going to do that till the rest of your life. Like,
Correct.
it should be that level of ambition. Then you'll succeed here no matter what.
Obviously.
I don't know where you land, but you land somewhere. So that's my advice. Like, people must really want it, because
Correct.
यहाँ पे पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे आपको टाइम से, आपको पैसे मिलेंगे ही नहीं कभी कभार, फिर भी आपको अपना गुजारा करना है. And make sure you have something else on the side. Especially, I would suggest be entrepreneurial. Make sure कि आपके पास कुछ और है
There's a backup
as a
plan.
backup, क्योंकि backup लोग कहते हैं कि नहीं हम तो फोकस कर रहे हैं, तो फोकस करने के वक्त हम बैकअप क्यों रखें? नो नो नो, ऐसा नहीं. That's my suggestion. बैकअप रखो
Correct.
ताकि आपका फोकस और फोकस्ड रहे.
Correct. So, and this is one thing that I just added right now, for a matter of fact. Your skin, as usual, is flawless.
Oh, thank you.
So, is that the Luxembourg trait, or is there something that you would want to tell people to focus on doing while before sleeping or after waking up in the morning or during the day? What is it, the skincare routine, if there is something?
So first of all, you can't be a smoker and a drinker. That's the first thing.
Yeah.
I'm a teetotaler and I'm a non-smoking person. Otherwise, yes, there is some gift of genes as well. Like, I know people who are smokers and drinkers who also have great skin. But yeah, drinking lots of water and having haldi. Haldi in different forms is incredible. Lakadong haldi, I have been suggested by one of my editors, is the best. So the curcumin level is very high and it can give you an anti-inflammatory effect, and all sorts of negativities can be pushed out of your body. Antioxidants.
Guys, this is not a paid promotion.
No, but it's good for your skin and stuff. And all natural things. Long ka pani piti hu main, adrak ka pani piti hu main. I drink all forms of Ayurvedic waters.
Okay.
Our India is the most medicinal country in the
Correct.
world.
Obviously, yeah.
You know, and use it. Like, आप
Obviously.
जिस देश से आते हो, आपको पता नहीं है, कुदरत बसता है यहाँ.
Obviously,
Like-
definitely. So I just have this one question: is do you have any legacy pressure?
I never want to put out any content in this world which I'm ashamed of, and if I have, I feel sad about it, and I never would want to. But you can only control so much.
Did you ever expect that you would ever follow Sir O.P. Nair's footsteps? Did you ever think while you were a kid or while you're growing up? Or do you, like, is it, for me, if I was coming from something like this, I would always look up to him, like, for a matter of fact, like.
He was who he was because of a few things, He was very punctual in terms of time. He was also very generous in terms of his compliments to people at that time, and he was a great perceiver of talent and stuff, and he knew who to groom and who not to groom, and he had a gift of the harmonium, and he had a gift of rhythm. He understood that at that time jazz was something which was, it could be introduced. He had his gifts, But I think the most basic gift that he had was the gift of discipline and time management. I remember people tell me this all the time. अगर 8 बजे सुबह की रिकॉर्डिंग है और अगर आप 8:10 पे पहुंच जाओगे ना, तो वो इतने प्यार से हंस के आपको बोलेंगे आज तो पैकअप हो गया है। कैन यू इमेजिन? आप कैन यू इमेजिन कि आपने पूरा खर्चा सब किया हुआ है और आपको बोला जाता है कि आज तो पैकअप हो गया है। 5-10 मिनट की देरी पे लोग तो लड़ गए हैं ना फॉर दैट, लेकिन वो डिसिप्लिन ही आपको कहीं लेके जाता है।
Correct.
और वो डिसिप्लिन ही आज अमिताभ बच्चन को अमिताभ बच्चन बनाता है।
Exactly.
वो डिसिप्लिन ही लता मंगेशकर को लता मंगेशकर बनाया। लाइक इट इज ट्रू कि कहीं ना कहीं यू हैव टू, अक्षय कुमार बनता है उस डिसिप्लिन की वजह से। यू मस्ट रिस्पेक्ट टाइम,
Correct. Correct.
and our fathers tell us that. So I don't think I could be like him, you know, because to be very honest with you, I don't have that level of time particularity as he does, but I can try.
Any fond memories from your childhood with him?
No, with him personally ऐसा नहीं, but हाँ we have heard that when he played the harmonium, you could stop and sit the whole day, and
Oh,
he was natural, he didn't
yeah.
learn it.
Yeah.
उसने कभी सीखा
सीखा
नहीं।
नहीं। Correct.
वो कईयों में होता है यार कि मैं बच्चे देखती हूँ मल्टी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स पे खेलते हैं यार।
It's crazy.
It's
Yeah.
amazing. So
So I think we'll wrap it here. And thank you, Niharika. Thank you
thank
so much for
you.
coming. And
Thank you
I'm,
so much.
darling, thank you so much. And I hope to see you very soon.
Yes.
And thank you guys. Stay tuned for more updates, and we'll be back with a bang. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Niharika Raizada, and you're watching Chai with Ilachi. And I hope you like, share, and subscribe this incredible new podcast that he's doing, and we support him all the way through.